Hi Rebecca. So yes, as you've just mentioned, we do have a rough spell of weather over the New Year period. The Met Office have issued wind and rain warnings. In terms of rainfall totals, then some high ground locations could see around 100 millimetres of rainfall. That does mean the risk of flooding. And then gusts quite widely at times 50 to 60 miles per hour in the most exposed spots, closer to 75 miles per hour. So potential for damaging winds too. So this is what we have in store this morning. Then we start off with a little bit of drizzle under that thickest cloud. I think by the time we get through this afternoon, that rain will become increasingly widespread. Some of that will be heavy too. The winds will also strengthen, so gusts for parts of North and West Wales later on around 50 to 60 miles per hour. And that rain just keeps pumping in through tonight, so that could cause some tricky travelling conditions. Within that, some squally winds too, as picked up by this green shading, but gradually improving later tomorrow. Rebecca.
Sabrina, thanks.
Hi Rebecca. Yes, so we do have some lively weather conditions over the New Year period. That is likely to cause disruption in places. In terms of rainfall totals, then we could see around 100 millimetres of rainfall over some high ground locations, some strong to gale force winds too, so there will be the chance for some flooding and disruption. The main window of the active conditions will be later this afternoon until around tomorrow afternoon. So this morning then we've got some drizzle in places under that thickest cloud. I think as the day wears on, the band of rain will become increasingly widespread, some of which will be on the heavy side. With that, some strengthening winds too. So for some exposed locations, those gusts close to around 50 to 60 miles per hour towards evening. And then more wet weather will just keep filtering in tonight. Squally winds associated with this weather front too, so some active weather conditions in places. And then this wet and windy weather still with us for a time through the first half of tomorrow. Rebecca.
Sabrina, thanks.